creators, yes, you are the creator I'm referring to. Has anyone reached out to you to help them, come out of a tight situation before? Probably as a finance coach, you've helped with their finances. As a fitness coach, you've helped with their health. As a family life coach, you have helped, transform their lives, right? And you've also done this excellently well. Now, this is the webinar you don't want to miss. Did you know that you can recreate this same template into a platform that can serve many more people? Like that, the thought of that is so exciting. I am currently doing that for my program. I'm creating a plan, to help more clients, to help me bring in more clients and, transform their lives. Now, I want you to sign up as I show you how to create a free trial on this platform. You don't want to miss it. Click the link right now and let me show you how to do it. Let's make more impact this year and more money, of course. I will see you on the inside. Bye.